Okay, so we're going to perform the spore test. So that needs to be done once a week on each sterilizer. So remember again, each sterilizer is marked with a symbol. So underneath in this cabinet here, we're going to get out our binder, sterilization protocol binder. We'll take that out. We'll also take out our spore test vials. We'll take out our steam sterilization integrator strips. And we'll take out the incubator. Okay. So we can plug that in over here. Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do is the steam integrators need to be put into the sterilizers if there's no packages that are being ran. We just want to make sure that we have some sort of identification that the load has went through the process. So these are only if you do not have anything to run with your spore test. So today we don't have anything to run, so we're going to take 3 of these guys. And we're going to put them on the bottom rack. And also, before you start the spore test, you want to make sure that your water is in the green. So make sure that it's full into the green, it's not into the red. So we're good on this one. We're good on this one. And the Statim will actually let you know when it's low water. So as long as it doesn't say low water, you're fine. Okay, so now what we need to do is get our vials. So out of here, we're gonna take out 4 vials. So 1 for each sterilizer and 1 as the control. So with a marker, we're going to put 1 check mark for the first mid mark. And we'll just go ahead and put that one in on the bottom shelf. And then the next one, we're going to do 2 check marks. And we'll put that one in on the bottom shelf. And then this one's going to be the star. That one's going to go in. And then this one is going to have a C for the control. And that one we can put right up on the shelf because we're not going to use that one. It's going to stay out. All right. So now we'll start our sterilizers. So we'll do the pouches because that's what we normally use. Pouches and start. Pouches and start. And then we do wrapped and start. Okay, so after the sterilizers have completed their cycle, then we're going to open them. And when you open it, you want to check this strip to make sure that it's changed color. So we want it to be blue. Okay, a blue strip. So we'll have changed color, and then your spore test is right there. So here's a good example of this is before, this is after. Okay, and then we'll take these vials out, put them over here by the incubator. Okay, so now what has to happen to these guys is we need to use the Spore test cruncher. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your vial inside, just like this, and you're going to squeeze it, and that's going to activate everything inside. Okay, and then it's going to go down into the incubator. Okay, so those go down in. And your control. All right, so also we want to record the Spore test in our binder. So we're going to go to the recording area here, and you're going to put the date, and then your student number and your student initials. And then after 48 hours, we're going to look at these vials. Okay, so these vials should have changed color from the control. If they are all the same color, then that means that the test failed. The control needs to be a different color than the 3 that went into the sterilizer. So after that, you're going to make sure that you circle, was it a negative or a positive in each one of them. So it should come out to be mid-mark is negative, mid-mark 2 is negative, statum is negative, and the control is going to be positive because it did not go through the sterilization process. And then make sure that you get a faculty initial with those results. And that's it. Good job.